What's up guys, I'm George and in this video I'm going to try to make a flip book. If you are new here, I welcome you to my channel and don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video. Thanks a lot. The first thing we are going to do is actually cut this A4 sized paper into some smaller rectangles so we can use the actual flip book. So I'm currently in this phase which I've made this little flip book but haven't drawn anything on it yet. Now I'm going to draw something and let's see how it's going to turn out. So I made this little contraption out of Lego right here so I can put the flashlight of my phone underneath and I can see what I'm drawing. Look, now I can see what's going on. Well, it kinda works, but what do you think, guys? Well, I think it didn't turn out that well and as I expected, but at least I tried, and that is what I did in this video. What do you think? Just tell me down below, and I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot and I'll see you in the next one. If you are new here, I subscribe you